Hey trick class, we're going to go over this problem from the 8-7 homework set. This is the sum to product rule. Okay, this is a difference, but that counts as a plus a negative. You know, it says sum to a product. So we got a difference of cosines. This is the one we're going to use here. Alright, so notice we got a -2 out front for this one. And the first one we are averaging inside the sign the two angles. So this just means average, add, and divide by 2. So we're taking the 285, the 195, we're dividing those by 2. The other one is also a sine, but this time we are subtracting the two angles. So 285 minus 195 divided by 2. Just a warning on your calculator, if you're going to do this, you need to hit enter, then divide by 2. Because if you divide by 2 before you hit enter, you're only dividing the 195 by 2 unless you put parentheses. So there's the sine of 240. Alright, and the same thing when you subtract. You want to subtract, enter, and then divide by 2. So that's the sine of 45 degrees. Alright, looking on the unit circle, I see the 240 degree angle right here. Sine is the y coordinate there, so that's the negative square root of 3 over 2. And then for the 45 degree, that's right here, sine again is the y coordinate, so that's the square root of 2 over 2. So this is -2, negative square root of 3 over 2, and then positive square root of 2 over 2. Alright, negative times a negative is a positive. 2 and that 2 cancel. And we got a square root of 3 times the square root of 2, which is the square root of 6. On the bottom we have just a 2, so we get the square root of 6 over 2 is the exact value of that expression. Alright, we can check this, we just got to be careful. Go into degree mode, or you can alternatively just use the second angle button and change it, or just manually type in degrees. But this is cosine of 285, and then hit enter. There's what we get. And on the next line, I can just type in the square root of 6 and then come out and divide it by 2 and show that you get the same expression. So that lets us know that we've got the right number here.